Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to fix error code that is 0x80004004. So if you are receiving this error code when you try to install any application or games on Microsoft Store, or if you're receiving this error code on Xbox app, then please follow the steps shown in this video. Now the first step is to log in with same account on Store and with same account on Xbox app. So open Microsoft Store first, and on the top right here you can see a profile icon. Click on it, then click on sign out, then click on sign in. Now select the right account and then click on continue. Now it will be asking for the PIN or password over here. So enter the PIN or password. And once logged in, open Xbox app. Again on the top right here, you can see a profile icon. Click on profile icon, then click on sign out. And then again click on the profile icon and then click on sign in. And select the same account which you have selected on Microsoft Store. So select the same account, then click on Let's Play and then try to install the game or application. Now still you are receiving the error message. Make sure date, time zone and region is correct on your computer. So on the bottom right here, you can see the date and time. Make a right click on date and time, then click on adjust date and time. Now make sure set time automatically is on. In Windows 10, you will find set time zone automatically. Make sure that is also on. In Windows 11, select the right time zone from here and then click on sync now. Make sure that you click on sync now, and after the sync, try to install the game or application. Also make sure the right country is selected over here. So select the right country over here and then try to install the game or application. Now the next step is to install the game from Microsoft's library. So if you're using Xbox app to install the game, then you can use Microsoft Store. So open Microsoft Store and then go to library, and you will find the game in your library. Find the game, and in front of it you will see the install option. So try to install it from the Microsoft Store library. Now if you are using the store to install the game, in that case you can use Xbox app. So open Xbox app and then find your game in Xbox app and then try to install the game. Now the next step is to run this PowerShell command. This command is provided in the video description. So copy this command, type in PowerShell in Windows search box, make a right click on Windows PowerShell and then click on run as administrator. So make sure that you're opening Windows PowerShell as an administrator. Click on yes to allow. Now paste the command over here, hit the enter key. Now let the process complete. Now during this process, you will receive some errors in red color. So just ignore the errors and let the process complete. Now once done, close this window and then try to install the game or application. Now the next step is to repair and reset Xbox app and Microsoft Store. So type in store in Windows search box, make a right click on Microsoft Store, then click on app settings. Scroll down and here you can see the repair option. So click on repair. And after the repair, try to install the game or application. Still you are receiving the error message, then click on reset, and after the reset, try to install the game or application. Now do the same thing with Xbox app. If you're using Xbox app, make a right click on Xbox app, then click on app settings. Now again scroll down and then you will see the same option, repair. So try repair. If that does not resolve the error message, in that case you can go ahead and perform reset. So you can click on reset, and after the reset, try to install the game or application. Now the next step is to update Xbox app and Microsoft Store, or any updates from store library. So open Microsoft Store on your computer. Now once you open Microsoft Store, on the bottom left over here you will find library options. So click on library. Now once you click on library, on the right hand side on the top here you can see the option which says get updates. So click on get updates, and once all the updates are installed, try to install your game or application. Now the next step is to install Xbox Identity Provider and Gaming Services. So copy this link. The link is provided in the video description. Open this link in a browser. It will take you to Microsoft website. Here you can see Xbox Identity Provider. Click on get. It will prompt you to open Microsoft Store. So click on open Microsoft Store. and over here you will see Xbox identity provider. You will see the install option or get option in case this is not installed. In my case it's already installed, so there is no button. In your case you will see the install or get option if this is not installed. Now the next step is to uninstall and reinstall gaming services. So copy this command. This command is provided in the video description. Type in PowerShell in Windows search box, make a right click on Windows PowerShell, then click on Run as administrator. Now click on Yes to allow. Now paste the command over here, hit the enter key. Now this will uninstall gaming services, and once this is done, copy the next command, this command, and paste it over here on the same window, hit the enter key. This will again open Microsoft Store, and then you will see the install option. So click on install, click on yes, and once the gaming services is installed, now you can open Xbox app or Microsoft Store and then try to install your application or games. Now the next step is to start all these services. So type in services in Windows search box and then click on services. Now find IP helper in the list. Make a double click on IP helper, set it to automatic, click on apply, click on start if highlighted, then click on OK. Now find all the Xbox services at the end. Here you can see. Open all the Xbox services, make a double click and open all the Xbox services one by one, set it to automatic over here. Click on apply, click on start if highlighted. Do the same thing with all the Xbox services. Click on start, apply, set it to automatic, apply, OK, automatic, apply, click on start if highlighted, and then click on OK. Now find Windows Update, make a double click on Windows Update, set it to automatic, apply, click on start if highlighted, then click on OK. Now find gaming services. Make sure gaming services are running over here. If it's not running, make a right click, then click on start. If it's already running, then stop it and then restart the service. Now restart the service. Make a right click, then click on start. Now find Microsoft Store install service and then make a double click and set it to automatic. And then click on apply, click on start if highlighted, then click on OK. Now try to open Store or Xbox app and install the game or application. Now the next step is to update Windows to the latest version. For this, go to the start menu, click on settings, then go to update and security in Windows 10. If you have Windows 11, click on Windows Update, then click on check for update. And once all the updates are installed, restart your computer and then try to install the game or application. Now the next step is to run WSRESET command. So type in WSRESET in Windows search box and then click on WSRESET command. Now this will open this black screen. Do not close this black screen. This black screen will go away and it will open Microsoft Store. Now over here you can see the black screen is gone and it's opening Microsoft Store. Now you can try to install the game or application. Now the next step is to uninstall and reinstall Xbox app and Microsoft Store. So type in Xbox app in Windows search box, make a right click on Xbox app, then click on uninstall, uninstall. Now after the uninstall Microsoft Store. So copy this command. This command is provided in the video description. So copy it, type in PowerShell in Windows search box and then make a right click on Windows PowerShell, then click on run as administrator. Click on yes to allow. Now paste the command over here, hit the enter key. Now this will uninstall Microsoft Store and then you have to restart your computer. So restart your computer and then copy this command and then again open PowerShell. So type in PowerShell, make a right click, make sure that you're opening this as an administrator. Click on yes to allow, paste it, hit the enter key. Now this will reinstall Microsoft Store. Now you can open Microsoft Store on your computer and then try to install the game or application from Store or Xbox app. Now the next step is to run inetcpl.cpl. So type in inetcpl.cpl in Windows search box, then click on inetcpl.cpl and then go to the advanced tab. Now under advanced tab, scroll down. Here you can see use TLS 1.0, 1.1, 1.2, 1.3. Make sure all 4 are checked over here and then click on apply, click on OK, and now open Store or Xbox app. Now the next step is to use media creation tool to update your Windows to the latest version. So if you have Windows 10, copy this link. If you have Windows 11, copy this link. So first for Windows 10, here you can see media creation tool. Click on download tool now. And once the download is complete, run this exe file, then you will see the screen. Click on accept and by default upgrade this PC now would be selected. Click on next Now it will start downloading Windows 10 along with the latest update. Now this process will take some time. Now before the installation, you will see the screen which says ready to install, and by default the option to keep personal files and app would be checked. Now when this is checked, you will not lose any data on the computer. So click on install. After the installation, log into your computer and then try to install the game or application. Now the next step is for Windows 11 users. So if you have Windows 11, go to this website. Again, here you can see media creation tool. Click on download now, and then this will download the exe file. And once the download is complete, run the exe file. Now click on accept, and by default Windows 11 would be selected over here. Click on next, select ISO file, then click on next. Now set the location as desktop over here, and then click on save. Now once the download is complete, go to desktop, find Windows ISO file, make a double click on Windows ISO file, and then here you can see setup file, make a double click on setup file, click on yes to allow. Now this will load Windows 11, and here you can see install Windows 11, click on next. It will go ahead and check for update. Now once the process is complete, click on accept. Again it will check for update. It will take time. Now again, before the installation, you will see the screen which says ready to install, and by default the option to keep personal files and app would be checked. When this is checked, you will not lose any data on the computer. Click on install. After the installation, log into your computer and then open Microsoft Store, or you can open Xbox app and then try to install your game or application, and you should not receive this error message anymore. So that'll be all. Thank you so much for your time, and please like this video and subscribe to my channel.